Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Linger. Linger means stay in place longer than necessary because of reluctance to leave. For example, she lingered in the yard, enjoying the warm sunshine. She lingered in the yard, enjoying the warm sunshine. Synonyms: wait around, stay, remain.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. But it doesn't linger forever on past glories. Now, repeat after me. But it doesn't linger forever on past glories. The second exempli. She didn't linger at the back of the pharmacy. Now, repeat after me. She didn't linger at the back of the pharmacy. The third exempli. Don't linger in the doorway as it is considered rude. Now, repeat after me. Don't linger in the doorway as it is considered rude.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The only planet not named after a god is our own, Earth. The others are, in order from the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.